Hello, my sister Ramakrishna. This is the next part of the language power. So one of the person told that Sunil, basically you are trying for job in software companies. You are not getting the job. That is basically is also one of the topic basically which keeps on discussing basically. I have discussed this topic since many videos basically. So one of the person told that France group basically you can just imagine basically 1 to 2 lakh crore basically is the turnover basically of France. It can be per day also basically, it can be weekly, it can be monthly. So one person told that World Bank basically the finance group basically which they create the products basically they create the product for particular country or basically they are creating for the whole world basically because grapes basically exist in whole world basically. So one person told that it might be possible that whole world basically might be using grapes, but the products basically which are creating they might be same basically, but it might possible that parameters basically might be getting changed. Mostly basically it can't be same na basically. Because I will take one example. France basically are looking like how basically. They are basically very white. When we connect to South Africa basically they are basically very black. When we connect to China basically they are basically white and brown basically color. When we connect to India basically it's a mix white, brown, black. Every color basically people basically exist. So how you can create one product basically? That is not possible. So you have to create different and mostly basically it might be different products. But to maintain basically it might possible that some common product basically they might be creating because it's a huge cost also. Basically you have to maintain everything. Basically. I will take example of this basically. Government does lots of help basically to the public, but they never displays basically. Why? Because when you display the stuff, advertising everything basically, that is also basically one cost. That cost basically increase than the helping cost basically. For example, helping cost basically was 100 crore, but doing the advertising of this helping basically it crossed 200 crore. So lots of things basically they never displays basically in front of the government. That is the help done by the government in next video basically.